Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at an essential accessory for anyone using a VuPoint Magic Wand portable scanner, specifically models like the PDS-SD450, PDS-SD450VP, or PDS-SD470VP. This is the USB charging cable cord lead from SKK source, designed to keep those portable scanners powered up and ready to go. One of the first things to appreciate about this cable is the emphasis on safety. The manufacturer, supply source, states that their products are made with the highest quality materials. More importantly, it includes multiple smart features to safeguard against common issues. We're talking about protection against incorrect voltage, short circuits, and internal overheating. For a device that's often used on the go, having a charger that's certified with CE and FCC standards provides a significant peace of mind. It means the user can plug in their scanner without worrying about potential damage or safety hazards. The cable itself features a standard USB connector on one end and a micro USB 5-pin connector on the other, which is precisely what these VuPoint scanners require. With a generous length of 5 feet, it offers a good balance between reach and portability. This length is often ideal, allowing the user to charge their scanner comfortably from a wall adapter or a computer's USB port without being tethered too closely. It's long enough to be practical, but not so long that it becomes cumbersome to manage, especially for a portable device. It's important to note that while this adapter is not an OEM product, it is described as brand new and high quality. This is a crucial detail for many, as finding reliable non-OEM alternatives can sometimes be a challenge. The SKK Source brand aims to provide a dependable solution, ensuring that users don't have to compromise on performance or safety when seeking a replacement or a spare cable. The compatibility with tablets is also mentioned, suggesting a versatile design, though its primary focus here is clearly the VuPoint scanners. For anyone who relies on their VuPoint Magic Wand scanner for digitizing documents on the fly, having a robust and safe charging cable is non-negotiable. This SKK source cable appears to fit that bill perfectly, offering the necessary connectivity, a practical length, and robust safety features. It ensures that the scanner remains charged and operational, ready for whenever inspiration strikes or an important document needs to be scanned. It's a straightforward, yet vital, component for maintaining the functionality of these popular portable scanners.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.